how to delete all of your messages from your Discord server. So in this video I'm going to be telling you about how you can delete all the messages from your Discord server. So let's suppose you have to delete all these messages. Basic method would be hover on your message, hold shift and click on delete. As you can see, they are getting deleted. Just keep pressing delete, they will get deleted. But let's suppose there are hundreds of messages in your Discord server and you want to just clear all the messages of your text channel, and you don't want to change any setting or anything, and you don't want to disturb your text channel settings. So in order to do that, just simply go over to your text channel, right click it and click on duplicate channel. Once you do this, click on create channel, and the same settings have been applied to the duplicated channel. And now what you have to do is just delete the first channel. So that's it. As you can see, you have the brand new channel with the same settings and no messages at all. So yes, this is how you can clear all the chat and all the messages of your Discord server. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.